Yes, I'm gonna be buying my first ClipX today using Mexc decentralized exchange, and also I'll be buying PHT. So this is actually gonna be my first buy of ClipX. All right. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So I'll be using Mexc decentralized exchange. If you do not have Mexc account, make sure you check the description box below for Mexc registration link. So register, verify your account, and you can start using Mexc and Mexc decentralized exchange. So now let me go to wallet. Okay, so I already have some BNB right here. So if I like, if I wish, I could decide to buy more BNB. Okay, but I'm actually gonna be using this. So before I buy ClipX, let's go straight to what's it called, the Mexc DEX. Okay, so this is the DEX tab right here. I'm gonna click on it, and the next thing I'm gonna do is to click on receive, okay, to deposit the BNB. So I'm gonna select the BNB network right here, so BNB chain. So and I'm gonna click all, then click on confirm. So it's done. Other details, all right, still pending. So while this is still pending, let's go to the screener app. Okay, so this is ClipX. All right, so as I told you guys earlier on, I'm actually buying based on structure, based on logic, okay, based on what I am seeing on the chart. All right, so and currently the market cap of ClipX right now is 838k. It is actually more than $1 million plus, and the liquidity is $108,000 now, which is over 10% of the market cap, like the current market cap. So I'm gonna click on chart right now, so we see for ourselves. Okay, so like here we have a break of structure to the upside. So, and you can see from the chart that there is actually a pullback. So the price could actually touch this line and bounce back, okay, and reverse. So, and the price could actually still go below this line and get to this, what's it called, this other block here, or this other block right here. Okay, so one thing there is that from here to here, okay, like it's an accumulation zone for me. Okay, so I can decide to keep buying any time for as long as the price is still around this place. Okay, so but when the price breaks below this demand zone or support level, and a candle closes, below it, I will stop buying. Okay, so you must always have, a plan, a criteria, okay, so that you won't be doing things, based on feelings or emotions. Because now I already have a plan, I already have a rule for myself. If ClipX goes below the support level, breaks below the support level, it's a no for me. I'm no longer buying again. You understand? So, but some people that don't know this, they will keep buying. They'll say yes, it is. They'll say yes, buy the deep, that they are buying deep. Okay, and if care is not taking, you keep buying the deep to enter deeper life. You understand? So you have to buy based on logic, set a rules, set your own terms and conditions, set to have your own criteria, have your own plan. You understand? So because this ClipX you're seeing right here, I have no control on it. Okay, the only thing I have control on is my what's it called, my capital, and how I buy it. Okay, so now let's go back to Mexc. We don't want to talk too much. Okay, so let's see if this one has entered. Okay, so it seems it's actually still pending. Okay, so once it's enter, it's going to reflect. Oh yeah, so I just refreshed my screen. I refreshed my screen and the BNB is here already credited. So what are we doing next? The next thing is to go back to DEX screener, click on info and copy the contract address. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this ClipX contract address, this one at the middle right here. Okay, or you can click here, this copy icon right here to copy. Then you go back and you do what? You click on trade. No, go back to DEX. Yeah, then you click on DEX Plus right here in the middle. Okay, so it will take you to the decentralized exchange page. So now the next thing we're going to do is to paste the contract address right here. Okay, make sure you copy the right contract address. Okay, and you can also check the description box for the contract address so you don't copy the wrong contract address. So you have to be very careful so you don't fall victim. All right, so there might be a lot of fake ClipX contract address right out there. Okay, so once this finish loading, okay, next thing we're going to do is to click on trade or quick buy and sell. So it's still loading. So while it's loading, let's go straight to PHT. Okay, so this is PHT right here. Okay, so we're gonna be buying some PHT. So I've said this before, PHT is like one of the most undervalued coin on the Binance Smart Chain right now. Yeah. Okay, so because there are so many meme coins out there with no utility, nothing. They're not even building anything, and they're actually doing well, performing well. People are hyping them. But here we have a PhD. Like there is an utility. They have a platform called Fire Screener. Okay, where other people can even list their coins. So they also track, the burnings of those coins. So and people pay to list their coins on that Fire Screener, which actually helps the PhD team or the developers to, generate income. So and beside that, market cap currently now is 189,000. So if I click on it, you're gonna see total supply 8 million. It was actually 9 million before. Okay, self-reported circulating supply. Total supply 8 million plus. So they actually keep burning. Okay, so and they could burn it to like 6 or 4 million total supply. So this is actually a mind-blowing opportunity. You understand? So I'm gonna be buying some right here. Okay, so and as you can see on the chart right here, I already marked some level. It's actually got to one of the levels, and the price reversed, bounced back. So the second level, let's see if the price will touch it or not. And the third level, let's see. But for as long as it's at this level, okay, you can keep buying, accumulating. Okay, so but if the price breaks below this third level that I marked, okay, I'm no longer buying. Okay, I'm no longer doing what? Buying. Because at that point, like, that means something else. So let's go back to Mexc DEX. So let's see. Oh, this one just started again. Okay. So let me search. let's click on trade. Yeah. Okay, so instead of searching the contract address directly, you can just click on trade below. Then you click on what's it called, the coin at the top. So this is the coin that I bought last, Omikami ETH. So I'm gonna paste the contract address right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on trade. Okay, so you can see this is faster, so it's not showing loading. So I'm gonna buy, let's say 30%. Okay, so I'll click on buy ClipX. Buy ClipX. Good. ClipX successfully bought. So if I go to wallet, it's going to show. Okay, so this is right here. Okay, so just bought 3,405 ClipX. So now let's go and copy PHT contract address and copy. So they are both on Binance Smart Chain. As I'm buying them together. Copy. So I'll go to Mexc. And for this PHT, we have an ongoing challenge. So buy PHT every day using DCA dollar cost averaging. Okay. So we'll continue from where we stopped. Okay, because we've done like 25 days. All right. So we'll continue from where we stop by next week. Right, so I'm gonna click on trade again. Okay, and I'm gonna click on ClipX BNB and paste the contract address, then click on trade. Okay, so I'm gonna buy these two with, let's say 30 something percent, or let's say 40%. Yeah, buy PHT. Buy PHT. Good. All right, so I'm gonna click on wallet. Right, so if you're wondering, or you're also interested in buying these coins, okay, and you're looking for a means or a way to get money, it's like $5, $10 to be buying this coin, I recommend you leverage on Hapcore. So Hapcore is actually a crypto arbitrage trading company. So as the system trades for you, okay, and generates profit for you, automatically once it generates $10 profit for you, the money goes straight to your wallet once you set up your auto withdrawal. So you can use that money to do whatever you like, buy any coins of your choice. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, make sure you like, comment, and share. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.